David Little Farmer. In morning, David wants to feed his chickens. He brings egg yolk, as chickens always like it to eat. Chickens runs and fight to eat it. Every chickens want to eat more. There is one chicken, who has issue in walking. David has to take care this chicken. David brings some food for him also. All chickens are happy. David is also happy. David tell the chickens, "Tomorrow we will go outside." Thanks David, we will wait for tomorrow to go outside. All chickens said loudly.